This video is about the special legal impact on veterans of disputes about family and kids. Basically, lawsuits that involve custody, visitation, or access to kids, the right to make decisions concerning the children, and child support. Let's start with child support. Every parent has a duty to support their kids. That means unless parental rights have been legally terminated or the child has turned 18, there are basically no excuses here. It doesn't matter if you don't have the right to see your child. Child support is paid by non-custodial parents, meaning parents who are not the primary caregiver with whom the child lives most of the time, to custodial parents, to help them support the children. Basically, you need to pay a certain percentage of your net monthly resources, your income after taxes are taken out, depending on how many kids the support payment is covering. Your net monthly resources include money you earn from work or self-employment, as well as all non-employment income like stock dividends or rental income. Your service-connected disability compensation does count as resources, but only benefits that you are actually receiving, not benefits you've applied for or expect to receive. If you have a disability rated at 30% or more, then your dependents qualify for their own monthly payment based on your disability. This usually offsets your child support obligation. In other words, it does not count as resources. Reservists and members of the National Guard can have their custody arrangements upended by a deployment. The child's other parent gets custody of the children while you are deployed, but then once you return, the custody arrangement goes back to what it was before. In legalese, deployment cannot be considered a period of absence. It cannot be considered abandoning your children. So it cannot be considered a material and substantial change in the situation. When negotiating custody with the child's other parent, ask your lawyer to include language about the possibility of deployment. The bottom line is that if you are a veteran, reservist, or National Guard member, and you are getting divorced or are separated from a child's other parent, talk to a lawyer, because things can get very complicated. Head over to www.texaslawhelp.org/veterans-videos for information and referrals to lawyers.